Hey there! Jasmine Yap here. Ever felt overwhelmed with video creation? Well, VideoValet is here to simplify everything. It's a one-stop platform for amazing, high-quality videos. VideoValet is designed for everyone, from small business owners to experienced marketers. This tool streamlines video production and boosts audience engagement effortlessly. One of the best features? Customizable templates. You can create stunning videos without any hassle. Just pick a template and let your creativity flow. Advanced editing tools make it easy to add special effects, music, and logos. With drag-and-drop functionality, anyone can create professional-looking content in no time. Real-time analytics help track your video's performance. Understand what your audience loves and tailor your content for maximum impact and reach. Imagine logging in, setting your video details, and submitting your script. VideoValet makes this process super simple for both beginners and experts. Want to share your videos instantly? VideoValet integrates seamlessly with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Post your content quickly and easily. Thinking about going viral? VideoValet's AI can turn your script into stunning videos within minutes. Choose from various templates and watch the magic happen. VideoValet offers diverse video styles for all niches. From explainer videos to animated clips, you can keep your content fresh and engaging. Video content can significantly boost sales and engagement. Did you know videos can increase conversion rates by up to 80%? It's a powerful tool for any business. Sweet Treats Bakery used VideoValet and saw a 150% increase in traffic. Their engaging videos attracted new customers and boosted their online presence. Don't miss out. With VideoValet, you can easily create and share professional videos. Start now and watch your content go viral.
Struggling with video editing software that's complicated and time-consuming? Meet VideoValet, your ultimate solution for effortless, professional-quality video creation. VideoValet's intuitive interface makes editing faster and more fun for all skill levels. From drag-and-drop editing to stunning templates, create standout content easily. Let AI-powered tools automate tedious tasks like captioning and color correction. Save hours of work and focus on your creativity. Creators, businesses, and influencers rave about how VideoValet transformed their editing. See the amazing videos they've created. Get top-tier features without breaking the bank. Export your masterpiece in just a few clicks, optimized for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Ready to elevate your video game? Unlock seamless editing with VideoValet. Click the link below to get started today.